The first night with your partner is one of the most memorable moments in life. It is a time filled with emotions, excitement, nervousness, curiosity, and hope. Many people think the first night must be perfect, like in movies, but real life is different. The truth is, the first night is not about perfection. It is about connection, comfort, respect, and creating a beautiful memory together. The most important thing to understand is that both partners may feel nervous. This is completely normal. You are entering a new phase of life and natural emotions will appear. Instead of worrying too much, focus on being calm and present in the moment. Remember, your partner may also be feeling the same emotions as you. The best way to spend your first night is to begin with kindness and patience. Start with a warm smile, gentle conversation, and positive energy. Do not rush anything. Let the atmosphere feel natural and peaceful. Small gestures like offering water, asking if they are comfortable, or simply sitting together can create trust and ease tension. Communication is the key to a happy first night. Talk openly with your partner, ask how they are feeling, share your own feelings too. Honest and simple conversation builds emotional closeness. Sometimes people stay silent because they are shy, but even a few kind words can make a big difference. Respect is more important than anything else. Every relationship becomes stronger when both people respect each other's feelings, boundaries, and comfort levels. Never force anything. Never create pressure. True love grows when both people feel safe and valued. The first night is not only about physical closeness, emotional connection matters even more. You can spend time sharing stories, talking about dreams, future plans, favorite memories, or what you appreciate about each other. These conversations can bring hearts closer and make the bond stronger. Creating a peaceful environment can also help. A clean room, soft lighting, pleasant fragrance, and calm surroundings can make the moment more relaxing. But remember, expensive decorations are not necessary. The real beauty comes from genuine care and affection. Another important point is to let things happen naturally. There is no rule that everything must happen on the first night. Every couple is different. Some may talk for hours, some may laugh together, some may simply rest and enjoy each other's company. What matters is comfort and mutual understanding. If your partner feels shy, be gentle and supportive. If they feel tired after wedding events or travel, understand their condition. Sometimes people expect too much from the first night and forget that both partners may be physically exhausted. Being considerate shows maturity and love. Laughter can also make the night special. Smiling together, sharing light moments, and enjoying each other's presence removes awkwardness. Relationships become beautiful when partners can feel relaxed and be themselves. Trust takes time to grow. The first night is just the beginning of a lifelong journey. Do not judge your relationship by one single night. Real love is built day by day through care, honesty, patience, and shared experiences. For men, gentleness and understanding are very important. For women, open communication and honesty are equally valuable. Both partners should remember they are a team now. Marriage is not about winning or controlling, it is about supporting each other. Many couples later realize that the most beautiful part of their first night was not grand romance, but the small moments holding hands, talking softly, smiling shyly, and feeling close in a peaceful way. Those memories often stay forever. So how should you spend your first night with your partner? Spend it with patience. Spend it with kindness. Spend it with respect. Spend it with honest communication. Spend it with love. Do not chase perfection. Create comfort. Do not create pressure. Build trust. Do not worry about what others say. Focus on what feels right for both of you. At the end of the day, the first night is not about impressing each other. It is about beginning a journey together with warmth and understanding. When love and respect are present, even the simplest first night becomes truly unforgettable. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this message, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship guidance and life advice.